If you want to rent a Giant iTab from us, we do a full service, which will include a full installation, testing of the content, pretty much a white glove service. So we rock up and do the whole thing for you. If you were to buy a Giant iTab from us, there's two options in terms of support. You get a 1 year automatic standard warranty, and then there's an additional extended warranty for 3 years. That would include software licensing, remote support, which I can remote access any Giant iTab in the world from my office, software updates. Try before you buy it is essentially you send me your content, and in the Giant iTab office what I can do is actually film your content working on the Giant iTab, or alternatively we can do a live actual demo over Skype or FaceTime, or you could actually come into our office and give you a live demo in our demo suite in London office. The try before you buy option allows the customer that peace of mind before any commitments put forward for an event or to purchase a Giant iTab. So to find out more about the Giant iTab products and services, you can go to our website, giantitab.com.